Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start with a strong brew. In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea from tea bags. First, select your preferred tea bags. Black tea is a popular choice for its robust flavor. Bring about 2 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Place 4 to 6 tea bags into a heat-proof pitcher or jar. Pour the hot water over the tea bags and let them steep for approximately 5 minutes. This creates a concentrated tea base, essential for a flavorful iced beverage. Once your tea is steeped, carefully remove the tea bags, squeezing out any excess liquid to maximize flavor. Now is the perfect time to add your sweetener. If you prefer a sweet tea, stir in about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar or a few tablespoons of honey while the tea is still warm. This ensures the sweetener dissolves completely, giving you a consistently sweet drink. After sweetening, it's time to dilute your concentrated tea. Pour in about 4 to 6 cups of cold water, depending on your desired strength. Give the mixture a good stir to ensure everything is well combined. For the best taste, transfer your iced tea to a pitcher and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling period is crucial for a refreshing, crisp beverage. Your homemade iced tea is now ready to enjoy. Fill tall glasses with plenty of ice cubes. Pour the chilled tea over the ice, leaving a little room at the top. For a classic touch, add a fresh lemon slice to each glass. A sprig of mint or a few fresh berries can also elevate the flavor and presentation, making your iced tea truly special.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.